Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can link between pages in your Figma project, like for example between pages of a specific website design or project, to redirect your future viewers or visitors from one page to another by using a hyperlink. Let me show you how to do it, guys. It is actually very simple. So as you probably know, let me just zoom in a bit to page, let's say page number 3 of that website project here. You may add hyperlinks, for example, to text and other elements here in your Figma designed to redirect your visitors to an external URL, for example, but you may also link between your design pages. It is actually very simple. So what you want to do, guys, is pay attention to that list of layers. Here to the left, you will see a list of all your website pages and also sub-layers. So let me link, for example, from page 3 to page 2. To do this, guys, right click into the destination page here, just like that. Let me go with page number 2 because I would like to redirect my viewers or visitors to page 2. And from that menu below, click into copy paste as here and select copy link to selection from the menu to the right, just like that. That is going to be copied to the clipboard. And next, guys, you may add the hyperlink to the other page, in this case here, page 3. And I would like to hyperlink, let's say, from that title here. Left click into the given element, and after that click into that button or tab here at the bottom, actions, and select create link, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+U to add an internal link here, just like that. And last but not least, simply paste the given destination page's URL, in this case here of that page here, into that text box by pressing Ctrl+V, press enter, and that is going to add the hyperlink. So if I click on, as you can see, the cursor changes to a hand icon like this if I hover my mouse over that hyperlinked section, and it will also show here above, go to page number 2. You may edit that hyperlink, of course, and add a different destination or even several of these hyperlinks. So if I click on that hyperlinked word or object here, I will automatically redirect it to page number 2. As you can see, number 2 or page number 2 is now selected here on my design overview or canvas, and also inside my list of layers to the left. And that's how you link internally between your pages on Figma. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.